Hey, yeah, this is my awesome game I made in Blender. It's a hand. And it moves. Cool. What you have to do, you push this box onto these platforms. Get to the very last platform where there's like an opening, not cross, but like, oh, you'll see it's down here. To push the box, damn it, into there, which I didn't do. Oh, falling off. Okay, I'll try again. The reason I made this, well, I'll just try. I just found out how to do the walk cycle for like a person, character. In my case, it's this random hand. Made the hand yesterday, but it's pretty cool, I guess. I'm gonna be making an RPG game. It'll be third person. Oh shit. Ah, damn it, fell. As you can see, it's kind of hard. Last time, if I don't do it, too bad. But yeah, I'm new to Blender, so I know it does look kind of stupid, but I think it's okay. I could try to make a tutorial if you guys want, but it might not be as good as like the ones that like professionals do, or like people that really good at Blender. Wow. I've done this before. No, screw it. Anyways, this is my hand. You can see it. The fingers make it move. Clever, huh? Yeah. You're jealous. I don't know. But yeah. Thanks for watching, if anyone did. Bye.